Hi you guys, welcome if you are new. I am Sha'Naya O'Shea. Today I'm going to be fulfilling a few lip scrub orders that I received during Black Friday. If you want to see that, keep watching. Let's go ahead and get to it so we can get this stuff done. Let's write down the flavors real quick. I have so many lip scrubs to make. 5 cherry, 10 cotton candy, 5 marshmallow, 5 chocolate, 5 strawberry kiwi, 4 strawberry, 4 pineapple, 5 birthday cake, and 3 lemonade. Whew. All right, bro. We gotta go ahead and get started because we got a lot to do. Alright, so let me get everything and we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm not actually done with this. I'm always running out of one of my scents, which this time I'm running out of strawberry. It will not be here until Thursday. I think I ordered it last week. So I'm gonna wake up early tomorrow and go to the store so I can get like a little small sample size. So once again, we have chocolate, marshmallow, cotton candy, birthday cake, cherry, strawberry kiwi, pineapple, and lemonade. These are the key to get rid of those dry lips, okay? Lip scrubs. Our lip scrubs are one of our best selling products. Just got back from the store. We got the flavor oils. I decided to get the 2 packs. So I'm about to go ahead and finish these orders up. Stay tuned for the pack with me video. I'm gonna be packing up these orders and a few more. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. I hope that you all enjoyed it. I will have another one coming out of me fulfilling the lip gloss orders. I have a few jars to make and then squeeze through wholesale. I'll do that in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next one.